Hello students, welcome to online classes of third semester engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of second order ordinary differential equation by using Milne's method to obtain numerical solution from this. So what is given? The given term says here the given ordinary differential equation y double dash plus x y dash plus y is equal to 0 and the following table of initial values, then compute y of 0.4 by using all these values. Therefore, what to do? Very first we need to understand the given differential equation is of second order, where Milne's method is directly not applicable on this unless or until it is been converted into first order differential equation, simultaneous differential equation. For that, what we do? We substitute dy by dx is equal to z. Then d square y by dx square, which is nothing but dz by dx, which will be taken as z dash. Fine. Then the given differential equation, which is given, as per this, what happens now? Y dash plus x y dash plus y is equal to 0. But what is y double dash? This is y double dash. Y double dash is nothing but, this is nothing but y double dash now. So that is equal to z dash. So it is z dash plus x into y dash. Y dash is nothing but z plus y is equal to 0. Therefore z dash is equal to, if you take it to the other end, then these values will become, it will go to other end, then it will be minus. So minus, if I take common, then it is xz plus y. Fine. So this is z dash result, which is very much required to obtain the solution. Clear? And here, what is h? H is equal to, we can see h is equal to 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, means the difference is 0.1. Clear? Then what is to be calculated? We need to calculate the value of y at the rate of x is equal to 0.4. Therefore, the given results will be put in tabular column here. Therefore, x0 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 0.1, x2 is equal to 0.2, x3 is equal to 0.3. Similarly, y0, y1, y2, y3 to be calculated. y0 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 0.995, then y2 is equal to 0.9801, then it is 0.956. Similarly, y dash is nothing but z, so it becomes z0 now. z0, z1, z2, z3. So z0 is equal to, what is z0 now? This column, 0, there it is minus 0.0995, then this is minus 0.196, and it is minus 0.2867. Fine. Then comes z dash. What is z dash now? Z dash is nothing but this, which is nothing but minus of xz plus y. xz plus y, that is z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, z3 dash. So what is z0 dash now? X into z, 0 into 0, 0, plus 1 into minus, so minus 1. Fine. Like this, if you calculate, then this will be equal to minus 0.985, then comes minus 0.941, then minus 0.87. Clear? Then we need to go for its prediction. Therefore, by Milne's predictor formula, Milne's predictor formula. What Milne's predictor formula says? Prediction to y4 is equal to y0 plus 4h divided by 3, that into 2 times z1 minus z2 plus 2 times z3. Clear? So this is equal to y0 is 1 plus 4 into h is 0.1 divided by 3, that into 2 times z1 is minus 0.0995 minus z2. What is z2? Minus 0.196 plus 2 times z3. What is z3? Minus 0.2867. Therefore, prediction to y4 is equal to, if you calculate this result, we will be getting it's a prediction. So prediction to y4 is equal to calculate, it becomes 0.9231. Then similarly, prediction to z4, which is nothing but its a derivative. Okay, so that is z0 plus 4h divided by 3, that is 2 times z1 dash minus z2 dash plus 2 times z3 dash. Therefore, substitute the values. Z0 0 plus 4 into 0.1 divided by 3, that into 2 times z1 dash. What is z1 dash? Minus 0.985 minus z2 dash, that is minus 0.941 plus 2 times z3 dash. Z3 dash is minus 0.87. So which is equal to, what is z4 dash now? Prediction to z4 is minus, I'll be taking here. So prediction to z4 is equal to minus 0.3692. So this is the formula and this is the result. Again, this is another formula and this is the result. Okay, then we need to go for its correction. But before correction, we need to go for derivative. So let y4 dash is nothing but z4, which is nothing but this result, that is minus 0.3692. So we obtained one result. So we'll move to next. And z4 dash is nothing but minus of x4 z4 minus plus y4. If you substitute all these values, then we will be getting it's a z4 dash, that is nothing but minus 0.7754, which is nothing but z4 dash. So this is another result which we obtained. Fine. Then I'll be moving to Milne's characters formula. Okay, characters formula. So what that formula says? Correction to y4 is equal to y2 plus h divided by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus z4. So y2 from the table, that is 0.9801 plus 0.1 by 3, that into z2 Z2 is from the table, that is minus 0.196 plus 4 into Z3 from the table, that is minus 0.2867 plus Z4. Z4 is not there in the table, therefore we need to take this Z4, that is minus 0.3692. Therefore correction to Y4 is equal to, if we calculate this correction to Y4, that is equal to 0.9230. This is the result, 9230. Okay, then similarly we need to go for next correction to Z4, that will be Z2 dash, it's a derivative, plus 4 Z3 dash plus Z4 dash. Substitute the values. Z2 from the table is minus 0.196 plus 0.1 by 3 into Z2 dash from the table, that is 0.0941 minus 0.941 plus 4 into Z3 dash, that is minus 0.87 plus Z4 dash. Z4 dash is not there in the table, so Z4 dash, which is not available in the table, so that has to be taken from here. Z4 dash, that is minus 0.7754. Okay, so Z4 correction is equal